how to add photos to Facebook album without posting them. So if you want to add photos to your Facebook album without posting them, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. Now from your profile, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will have an option of photos. You need to tap on photos. Now under photos, you need to swipe and then you'll find albums. Tap on albums. Now go with create album option. Once you go with create album, you just need to simply go and add an album name, which is in my case, I'll just simply go with demo. Once you do that, you need to go with create, which will be in the top. Now once you've created the album, you can go with the album right here. Like for example, I have an album where I have some photos. So here you just need to simply go and select the photos and move it to your album, or just tap on it. Tap on the album that you've just created and then tap on add photos or videos. And then you need to go and select some pictures or some videos that you would like to add. After that, go with next, which will be in the bottom. And it says that you need to post. Without posting, you won't be able to add photos to your Facebook album. You need to share it or post it. Tap on next and tap on post, which will be on the bottom. You can also just simply go and select who can see this, and then you can choose the option of only me and then go with share, and that's it. That post will be added to your album. That's how you can add photos to your Facebook album. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.